In this video tutorial, you will be learning how to download, install, and configure the Quartus Prime Lite and Questa from start to finish. So we'll be covering how to create an Altera account if you don't already have one, downloading Quartus Prime Lite and Questa applications and installing both applications, and obtaining the free Questa Starter Edition license. And then after that, we'll be configuring the license so that Questa launches without any licensing errors. First, you have to download the Quartus Prime Lite application from the Altera website. So to do that, you just search for Quartus Prime and then click on the following link. And then you just go to the download tab and then you have to select your edition. So the Quartus Prime and Quartus Prime Pro and Standard editions are paid editions. So to be able to use the Quartus Prime software without having to pay anything, you just select the Lite edition. And then just make sure that the following are selected in the drop-down menus. And then on the operating system, you just select the operating system that you are using. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just be using the Windows version. And then you just scroll down and you just click on the download button. You have to agree on the license agreement. And then your download will start. After downloading the application, you just launch the installer. And for our purposes, we just continue with the default selection of components that will be installed. Just make sure that you have a good internet connection since this will be downloading quite a large file. And then you just click on download and install to proceed. Click on yes. And since I've already installed this previously, I'll get the following error, nothing to install. But if you are installing Quartus Prime for the first time, you just wait for the files to get downloaded and for the entire application to be installed. So after you have downloaded the Quartus Prime Lite software application and installed it successfully, we will now be moving to getting a free license and installing it so that we can use the Questa application, which does require a license. So to do that, you just go to the altera.com/sslc webpage and then you just click on My Altera. And if you don't have an account yet, you just click on Register. So you just have to fill in your information and verify your email. Let me just select my country and then next, verify your email. So if you don't have an account registered yet, you will be receiving a confirmation email wherein you will be receiving an OTP. But since I've already have an account, I can just proceed to the login page. Altera does not use passwords for login, but instead they send you an OTP to log in. So again, you just check your email inbox to get the OTP. Copy the OTP and just paste it in the OTP code field. After signing in, you just have to scroll down and look for the Self-Service Licensing Center tab, or card rather, and you just select on Access SSLC. Just click on sign in. And then click on register here. And then you just fill out your information. Click on submit. Now you will be receiving another email confirmation from Altera. So just check your inbox. It might take a while before you receive the confirmation email. So just keep on refreshing your inbox. So just open the email. And then you will be provided the following login details. So again, we just have to log in to our SSLC account. And the SSLC portal does not require you to provide a password, but rather you just log in with your email and you will receive an OTP each time that you log in. So now that we are in the self-service licensing center, we'll now be creating our license for Questa. So first, you just click on computers and license files. And then right now we don't have any computer here, so we have to create one. You just click on new. And then we are just going to fill out this form. So for the computer name, you can just put anything you want. For the license type, we just select fixed. And then for the computer type, we are going to select NIC ID. So now for the primary computer ID, you have to get your computer's MAC address. So to do that, let's just open a terminal. So you can use PowerShell or CMD. So in PowerShell or CMD, you just type in ipconfig, IP, there you have. Whoops. Just type in IP config/all, and then under your wireless LAN adapter or Wi-Fi, you just look for the physical address and you just copy this value. So going back to the Altera page, you just paste your MAC address, but then you have to remove all the dash. You just leave the characters. And you just click on save. So now that it is created successfully, the page will refresh, and then you have your computer here. So after adding that, you just click on sign up for evaluation or no cost licenses. And then here, you just select Questa. Scroll down and click on next. And here, let's just select on the computer that we've created and click on the license agreement. Private. Just click on the tick box and click on generate. And again, you will be receiving an email containing your license file. So go back to your inbox. Again, it would take a while before you receive the email containing your license file. So you just refresh your inbox. So just open it and then you scroll down and you just download this LR license.dat file. Okay, now that you have the license file, we are now ready to install it. So with the email that you receive, you also have the instructions here for setting up the fixed license that you have just downloaded. So you can either do it within Quartus Prime or using the dedicated instruction for Questa Altera FPGA edition. So you can just click on that link. And if you are using the Windows edition or the Windows version for the Quartus Prime software, you just scroll down to the section for installing the license on a Windows system. So to do this, we are just going to copy this variable name, and then we are going to open our system environment variables. So you just search for environment in start and you click on edit system environment variables, and then make sure that you are in the advanced tab and just click on environment variables. Under system variables, you click on new, and for the variable name, you just paste in the string that we have copied from the Altera website. And for the variable value, you just click on you just find the license file that you have downloaded, which is this one. We just have to right click on that and copy as path. And then we just have to paste the path in under the variable value. You just click on OK, but since I've already set this up, I will not be clicking on OK. And here you just click on OK again, and you click on apply and OK. So now you have already set up your Quartus Prime license. So if we try to launch the Quartus application, you can see that it is working properly. And if you try to open the Questa, it is also starting. So that is our tutorial for initial setup of the Quartus Prime Lite and Questa Altera Starter FPGA Edition simulation software.